The hard realities are that despite knowing all this, and the governments know this, United Nations knows this, all the universities, major research institutes know this, despite that the policies, subsidies, advertisements, etc., are promoting meat eating actually. Now this is a very tough situation to be in. Actually, you have to curtail meat consumption in order to survive, but all you are doing is you are having policies which are actually increasing the consumption of meat. You are encouraging people by giving subsidies, you are encouraging people to eat. So why is it that countries are doing this? The countries are doing this primarily because of money, obviously, and the size of this meat sector is huge. And if you, I quote from the Aldous Huxley's Brave New World, where he imagined a future where people exist solely to support the economy. So that is what is precisely what is happening now, and are conditioned from birth to buy things. So we are now being conditioned to buy meat actually. And if you see the market size of this, it is immense. The market size, which was in 2017, it was expected to be for poultry, meat, and seafood. The global market meat size was the meat market size was $1,270 billions. This was huge because if you consider India's GDP, India is a big country, huge country. India's GDP stands at $2,264 billion. Now almost more than 50% of that actually, around 55 to 60% of that is the amount of market, the meat market which we have now. In 2009, meat and poultry and seafood industry sales totaled $154 billion in US alone. The US market for meat and poultry alone will cross $100 billion. We exclude the seafood from here. And in UK, the market was $31 billion in sales in 2010. So meat is being promoted like anything. It's a huge kind of activity, trade, commercial kind of activity, and government deliberately is kind of promoting with the kind of ads which you see on your screen now. So they are asking you beef, it's what for dinner, and they are actually in US, for example, they are giving as much as $550 million. They are, with this amount, they are bombarding the Americans with slogans such as these to make them buy more and more kind of animal food. So actually this is being done systematically on a very large scale. Advertisement are being given. People are encouraged to eat meat despite the fact that the environmental damage is so large that it can wipe all life from this planet. And the American government is spending 99.6% more on subsidizing meat and dairy industry as compared to subsidizing fruits and vegetables. So if you see the data from PETA, it says that US government spends each year $38 billion to subsidize meat and dairy, whereas only 0.04% of this, that is just $17 million to subsidize fruits and vegetables. Now this indeed is a path of destruction and annihilation. So if humanity, it is up to us now actually basically, and humanity by its own choices of food, of its own choices of what we eat, is choosing its own destruction and is driving all life forms to extinction.